3 ways to use the law of attraction. Method 3, responding to setbacks. 1. Recognize you're not to blame for accidents, illnesses, or events beyond your control. Everyone experiences hardships at one time or another. This might include losing a job, coping with a medical issue, or suffering an injury. Don't blame yourself when these things happen because they happen to everyone. Let's say someone crashed into your car while you were driving. This is an accident, and you didn't cause it. Don't blame yourself. No one can have a perfect life without hardship, even while using a tool like the law of attraction. 2. Focus on changing your response to hardships rather than avoiding them. You can't stop all bad things from happening, as this isn't possible. However, you can choose to have a better reaction to them. Instead of getting upset, accept hardships as part of life. Then, reach out to people who care about you to get support. For example, let's say you lost a job you really wanted. Instead of dwelling on the loss, accept that this time it wasn't meant to be. Then, think about how you can use this experience to do better next time. 3. Look for the lesson or silver lining in obstacles or hardships, when you're ready. This helps you see something good that the hardship brought into your life. When you're ready, reflect on what happened to see how you grew as a person. Similarly, consider how your experience can enable you to help others. Don't push yourself to look for the lesson or silver lining before you're ready. For instance, failing a class might have taught you how to be a better student, and going through a bad breakup might teach you what you want in a relationship. 4. Take control after a setback or hardship to boost your confidence. Facing an obstacle can shake your confidence and break your positive mindset, but regaining control gives you back your power. Start by listing the actions you can take to move forward. Then, do one small thing to help you move in the right direction. For example, let's say you lost your job. Instead of dwelling on it, update your resume and go through job listings. While you apply for new jobs, take a free online class to help boost your job skills. Tip: if you need help, ask for it. Getting support from others can be part of taking control.